Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to see how to do video calling or audio calling in Zoom app. In Zoom app, we can host a meeting or join an already hosted meeting. We'll see both from our phone and laptop or desktop. First, I'll host a meeting from my laptop and then join on the same meeting from my phone. After that, I'll host a meeting from my phone and then join on the same meeting from my laptop. So this way, we can cover the both way. Okay, so let's open the browser and write Zoom on the search bar and press enter. So you will see this link in the above, zoom.us. So clicking on this link, it will redirect us to the Zoom homepage. So here you can see different options like join a meeting, host a meeting, sign in, sign up. To host a meeting, you need an account in Zoom. If you don't have, you go through the sign up process, or you can click on this sign in and it will ask you some email password. If you don't have any account, you can directly go sign it with Google. So it will be easy to create an account by this way. It will not take much time. As I already have an account, so I'll just create on sign in with Google and it will ask me my email ID, so I'm giving. And it redirecting me to my Zoom account. Okay, so here I'm in my Zoom account. We have a lot of options over here like profiles, settings. We can discuss about all of this in our separate video. I'm not want to make it this video lengthy, so this is a video only to how to join and how to host a meeting. So here we have an option host a meeting, so I'm going with video off option. So once you click on it, it is launching your meeting. So it will say if nothing prompt, so it download should automatically start in a few seconds. So if you are doing it for the first time, that means in your system Zoom is not there. So once you do the host meeting, it will automatically do a download of exe file of Zoom. So once I click on it, it will start installing Zoom in your system for the first time only. From the next time when you do host meeting, it will not do these steps. It will automatically open the Zoom for you. So we have to wait until it's finished. Okay, great. So it's finished. The installation is finished. Now we'll wait to pop up the Zoom window. Okay, so here is our Zoom call. So you have to, if you are opening from your laptop or desktop, you have to do this join with computer audio. If you click on it, so it's open, you see, and this is the things. This is your meeting topic, TS tutorship Zoom meeting. This is the host, this is the password, your Zoom password, and this is your numeric password. There is two type of password, you can use anyone. And this is the invitation URL. You can copy this URL and send it anyone who want to join, or whom you want to join in this meeting, or you can give this participant, this is your participant, sorry. So yeah, that's it. And now I'll join on this meeting. Currently you have see this manage participant. If I click on this, you see this participant is only me, the host and me. So I'll join in this call from my phone. We'll see how to join in a meeting, in an already hosted meeting, from our phone. So, okay guys, so if you don't have Zoom in your phone, we have to install it from our Play Store. So open Play Store and go to the search bar and write Zoom. Once you have done, you will see something Zoom Cloud Meeting. So click on it, and this is the app. So you will see zoom.us, what have we have run in our browser. So just do install. It will take a few time to install. Okay, so now Zoom is already installed in our system. So I just do open it. Okay, so it's asking me two options, sign in and sign up, and it's also asking me join a meeting. So for to join a meeting which is already hosted by someone else, we no need any account in Zoom, we can directly do join a meeting. So clicking on join a meeting, it's asking me some meeting password, sorry, meeting ID and name. Okay, so join with a personal link name. So this is your name, you can change it. I'm just giving some name like XYZ, and this is meeting ID. So this meeting ID will provide you by the host. So I'll see you again in our desktop from where we'll get this meeting ID. From now I'm just enter the ID which I have which meeting I have already hosted. So that is 453 472 412. And once you have done, you will enable this button and join a meeting, and you have something like don't connect to audio, turn off my video. So you can just enable this option. So when you do join, at that moment your video will be turned off until you give a permission to turn on your video. And don't connect my to audio, so it will also make you mute. Okay, so it will not connect your audio. So I do also do this, don't connect to my audio, and just do join meeting. Once I do, it will take a little time for this, and it asks me for meeting password. This password will also be provided you by the host. I will see how to get this password for this meeting. My password is 776763. Okay, sorry, incorrect password is saying. Okay, let's me try to another password. Okay, so it's now connecting, and please wait, the middle will wait, please wait, the middle host will let you soon. So this is the pop-up. So it's asking me to admit or remove. Okay, one person is waiting, you see this message. We can do message to that person, and the XYZ what I have written as a name, and I can, if I do remove, it will reject that person to be joined in this meeting. If I do admit, click on the admit, and you see in phone also it is connecting. And in, okay, so now this two person came here, XYZ and tutorship. So this one is host and this one is the person who is joining. So it's up to the host who already set up like that way, that if anyone want to join, the host need to permit that person before joining in the meeting, or if they allow anyone to join with the ID and password. So once you do once you put the ID and password and press join meeting, you can already directly join into the meeting, no need host permission at that time. So this way you can directly join into a meeting from our phone. Okay, so here is a lot of option, tap to speak, you can okay, so now I think you can't speak because you didn't join audio, you didn't do join audio. So you feel some issue like I already joined in the meeting but I am unable to speak. Means you can hear others but other can't hear you. Why this happening? At that time you have to just press on your screen and you will see these options under your screen, and there is an option called join audio. So you have to click on join audio and call via device audio. Once you have click on this, you have to allow this one for the first time. You allow audio to Zoom for the first time. If I do allow, and now it's you are connected, and if you do unmute, then you can able to talk. So this way we can also join from our phone. Now we'll see how to host a meeting from our phone and how to join from desktop or laptop. Okay, so we'll see how to host a meeting from our phone. To host a meeting, we need to do sign in first. So I just click on sign in, and it will ask me some email password. I will go with Google, sign in with Google, and it will just give me the options, and I'll just click on my email address over here. So it will directly redirect me to the Zoom account. Okay, so here I am in my Zoom account. So here I have a option called new meeting, join, schedule and screen share. So I'm going for new meeting, and as I want to host a meeting, so I just click on new meeting, and it's asking me some option like video on. So I just remove disable it, and use personal meeting ID. I'm not going to enable it because what is this option? I will talk about this later in a separate video. For now I just do start meeting, and it started. It's so easy, right? So if I go to the participant, you see it's only me as a host participate into it. This way we can we can host a meeting. So then how will get this meeting details? So in this top, as you see in this top, this is your meeting ID and this is the password. So this ID and password you have to give to the person whom you want to join in this meeting. So now we will see how we can join from our laptop or desktop by using this ID password, and how we can join into this meeting. Okay, so we'll search for Zoom in our search bar, and again we'll go into the Zoom homepage. And as you already have seen, like to join in a meeting we no need any account in Zoom, right? So no need to sign in here, though I am already signed in. I just click on join a meeting, and it will ask me the meeting ID. So the meeting ID we have seen, and it will also provided you by the host. So the for this meeting what I have created already, I am just place the ID, and once click on join, it will take some time, and you see this time it is giving a pop-up like open Zoom. So I just click on open Zoom, and this time it's not downloading as it's already downloaded and installed in your system. So it is directly open the Zoom. Okay, so here I am at, and you have to click on this join with computer audio. If you don't do it, the other person will not able to hear you. So you have to keep remember these things, that if you are joining from your laptop or desktop, you have to always click on this option. So now if I go to the participant, you see there is two person is joined, one is me and one is host. As I'm joining from the same account from both places, so that's why it's showing me same ID, same name as a host and also a participant. So that's why we can join easily from our desktop or laptop in a already hosted meeting. And you can see on this icon, if you go on this icon, you will see all the details about this meeting. That is meeting ID, which you already put it while joining. This is the host, this is the password, this is your invitation link, and this is participant ID. So while you are hosting a meeting, at that time also, if you want to give the meeting IDs to some other else who are want to join in this meeting, you can give it to them from here. You just come here and you can give this meeting ID and this password to them. Also you can directly copy this URL. If you just notice, this URL is already embedded with this ID and the password is encrypted form. So if you just copy this URL and give it to anyone, so anyone can just click on that link and directly come to your Zoom meeting. So that's why we can easily join from our laptop or desktop into a already hosted Zoom meeting. So that's it for this video. If you have any doubt or any question, please reach out to me in the comment section. And if you like or understand this video, please give it a like. And that's it. For more information about Zoom, please check out my other video. Thank you.